Good morning, Year 2, and welcome to Wednesday's maths lesson. Well done on all your hard work this week so far. It's been lovely receiving your emails. Today we're going to continue with our multiplication lessons, and here's your first challenge, counting in twos. Using your 2 times table, we would like you to count and work out how many i's there are in total. Then you need to fill in the multiplication number sentence that goes with this. Pause the video and have a go at this first now. Well done, Year 2. Let's count in twos together. 2, 4, 6, 8. Therefore, we know there are 8 i's in total. We have 4 pairs of i's and 2 i's in each pair, which gives us 8 i's in total. Well done on your fab counting there. Now, we would like you to look around your room for adults, children, and maybe even pets, and find out how many i's there are in your room or your house. Pause the video, have a count, and see if you can work out the multiplication number sentence that goes with this. Well done, Year 2. If you're not feeling confident, maybe now pause the video and just count in twos up to 30. This might help you with today's lesson in feeling a bit more confident. Welcome back. Here is your first problem for today. Eva says, every number in the 2 times table is even. Turn to your adult now and explain, is she correct? Pause the video and we'll come back together and share some answers in a moment. Welcome back, Year 2. There was many ways to solve this, and most of you already know that the 2 times table are even numbers. But here are some ways you could have proven it. You could have written out your 2 times table. For example, 1 times 2 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 3 times 2 equals 6. 4 times 2 equals 8. 5 times 2 equals 10. Now, as we know, any number that ends in 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0 is an even number. You could have also used Numicon to help you. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Again, all of these are multiples of 2 and even numbers. Finally, I bet some of you have used a number line to prove your answer. So here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And if we keep counting, we'll see the numbers end in those numbers. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Now join in and see if you can help me get to 50 counting in twos. Here we go, after 3. 1, 2, 3. 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Well done, Year 2. That's brilliant counting in twos, all the way up to 50. Now it's time to turn to your adult and read our vocabulary from this week's lessons. See if you can remind your adult what all of these words mean. Pause the video now and come back when you're ready. Welcome back, Year 2. Now we're going to do some examples together, multiplying numbers by 2. Now in school we would use a number line, and as we've started before Christmas, it's important to draw your own, as this will help you with your counting. Our first question we're going to solve together is 7 multiplied by 2. So if we start on 0, we need to do 7 jumps of 2. Let's count in twos all together 7 times. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Now we can count in twos. If you found that difficult, you could always count your jumps first and then count in twos. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 jumps. And then we can count in twos to find out our answer. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So we can write our answer in the boxes below. We've just proven that 7 times 2 equals 14. Now let's try another example. I bet you could do this one in your head here too, but just in case you can't, let's use the number line to help us. Let's do 10 jumps of 2 to start off with. So let's count our jumps initially. 10 jumps, here we go all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 jumps. And now we're going to count in twos to find out what our answer is. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So 10 times 2 is 20. We're going to pop that on our number line and pop it in the answer box at the top. Brilliant. Well done, Year 2. Now I would like you to try this one by yourself. Pause the video, draw a number line, count your jumps, and then put the answer in. Pause the video now. Welcome back, Year 2. Now let's go through the answer together and see if we have the right answer at home. So we need to do 18 jumps of 2. It's quite a lot of jumps. Let's be careful with our counting. Off we go now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, let's just make this line a little bit longer. Okay, so let's now count in twos to find out our answer. Are we ready? Careful counting now. Off we go. 1, 2, 3. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36. So we pop our answer in here like this. Now, that was an awful lot of counting, and sometimes we can use our times table facts to be more efficient. We already know that 10 times 2 is 20 from our previous workings out. So on our number line, we can do this in one jump, as such. And we can write above it, 10 times 2 equals 20. Okay. Once we've done this, we can then add on the additional numbers. So we have covered the 10, we now need to add on 8 more jumps. 8 times 2. Here we can do this in jumps, either singularly, or if you feel confident, you could jump in twos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's count in twos. From 20, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36. Do you see how that was a little bit easier because we'd already done a large jump to start off with? Here's one to try by yourself now. Using one of the number sentences on this page, we would like you to try using the methods of the number line to complete the sum. Remember to use the number line to help you count in twos. And when you're feeling confident, you can start doing larger jumps. For example, 10 times 2 and 4 times 2 by partitioning the number 14. Choose a number sentence, solve it, show your methods, and try and complete 5. We look forward to seeing your work via the Year 2 email. Pause the video now. Well done, Year 2. I'm sure you have done a super job using the number line to help you solve these multiplication sums. If you need an extra challenge, there's 2 here on the screen for you now. See if you can explain your workings out once you've answered the question and use a number line to help show your methods. Please email all of your work to us at the Year 2 email address, and we look forward to seeing you tomorrow for Thursday's maths lesson. Goodbye.